Has it ever occurred to you that the first thought of your day is the most important one? Good morning is the way we greet our family members when we wake up. Be it at school, college, or workplace, we greet each other with this positive phrase. But what can we do to really make the morning good? In Indian tradition, we have the method to divinize our thoughts. We start the day with a sense of gratitude. Many traditions have specific prayers that should be chanted as soon as one wake up, while others encourage sitting quietly and meditating for some time before one going to their daily routine. I have learned some few tips on how to start the day pick up from the book Chanakya in the Daily Life. He explains that how leaders should start the day. And do you want to achieve something in life? If yes, please make sure that you will apply this knowledge of today's video. The first step of honing one's leadership skill lies in the way that how he starts the day. One should awaken to the musical sound of instrument. People who handles a lot of situation, he must be calm. This means that when the person wakes up listening to the music, it sets the right mood. Imagine that you wake up from a bad dream. The whole day starts on the negative note. You feel drained with every passing minute. But all that can be corrected just by the sound of musical instrument. How do we practice this in our daily life? Here are some tips. Make sure that you note it down and apply in your daily life. Let's get started. It is not just that how you wake up, but also the quality of sleep that matters. A good 7 to 8 hours of the sleep is essential for average person. It helps you to feel energetic and rejuvenated to start the day. So make sure that you sleep on time to wake on time. If one sleeps early and has had undisturbed sleep, then waking up will be an easy task. There are two types of alarm clock one can use to wake up: the external alarm clock and the internal alarm clock. Most of us are aware of the external alarm clock which rings at the time we have to wake up. But do you know about the internal alarm clock? The people who have controlled their mind use this alarm clock as well to wake up. They are so disciplined that they instruct their mind, tomorrow morning I have to wake up at 5 am. And you would be surprised to know that they wake up exactly at 5 am without needing any external alarm clock. Do you ever practice this? This requires a little bit of practice because you have to instruct your mind until it listens. Try it for some time and you'll eventually start waking up at the decided time. And for those who uses the external alarm clock, the alarm sound is crucial. Nowadays, most of us are using the alarm clock on our mobile phones. Choose your alarm tone very carefully. There are various ringtones to choose from. Choose something melodious. For example, an alarm tone that is inspired by nature, like the call of birds or the sound of wind. A loud and heavy ringtone will ensure you to wake up, but in the disturbed state. And if there are some other peoples or family members sleeping with you in the room, they too get disturbed. So in general, the loud ringtone will spoil everyone's day. Do wake up with the sound of music, but the right music. Some even start the day with the devotional music and spiritual hymns and mantras. Nowadays I am listening to the Gitanjali Indian Classical Music, a YouTube channel. I have given the link in the description. I feel very rejuvenated. You can also try their playlist and listen and begin your day in a fresh mood. You can start with my instructions and later you can find your own taste. Start your day with listening this music, and please, I am all eager to read your instructions or your experience about listening your music. So in the comment section, make sure that you'll comment. And it is not enough to just wake up in the right mood. One should also carry on that cheerful mood all day long. Be the source of the inspiration to others around you. When you feel good about yourself, you should make others feel good about themselves too. Greet others around you positively, and as the old saying goes, the best makeup on your face is the smile. This will help you to make sure that your good morning becomes a good day. जय हिंद।